Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Coffee Time. I'm Emma.
And I'm Neo. This is a slow English podcast, perfect for beginners. We speak very slowly and use only easy words.
Today, our big topic is discipline. How to study English every day without giving up.
Discipline is the real secret to becoming fluent. Not talent, not time. Just small habits every day.
Exactly. And we will share our real daily routines and the tiny habits that changed everything for us.
Let's start with the most important truth. You don't need hours and hours. 10 minutes a day is enough if you do it every day.
I started with only 10 minutes. Now, I speak English all day, and it feels easy.
My first habit was very simple. I made my bed every morning. It sounds small, but it gave me my first win of the day.
I do that too. Making the bed takes 1 minute, but my brain says I already did something good today.
Small wins create big discipline. Another easy habit is drinking 1 glass of water right after I wake up.
I put my phone on the other side of the room, so I have to stand up to turn off the alarm.
Smart. Movement in the morning helps discipline.
My next habit is writing 3 things I want to do every morning. Only 3. For example, study English 30 minutes, walk 10 minutes, drink more water.
I love to-do lists. I use a small notebook. When I check a task, I feel happy.
Checking boxes is the best feeling.
I also give myself small rewards. If I study English for 30 minutes, I can watch 1 short video or eat 1 piece of chocolate.
Rewards make discipline fun, not boring.
Another secret is turning off all notifications when I study. Phone on airplane mode, no Instagram, no messages.
Same here. I tell my friends, I study from 7 to 7:30. Please don't call.
Boundaries are part of discipline.
I prepare everything the night before. I put my notebook, pen, and headphones on the table. So in the morning, I have 0 excuses.
Perfect. No decision in the morning equals stronger discipline.
I also use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, I do it immediately.
Like answering a short message or putting clothes in the laundry.
These tiny actions train your brain to start easily.
When I feel lazy, I tell myself, just 5 minutes. Usually, after 5 minutes, I continue for 30.
That trick always works. Starting is the hardest part.
I keep a habit tracker. Every day I study English, I color 1 square green. I don't want to break the chain.
I love the chain idea. Seeing 20 green days in a row makes me proud.
Discipline loves company. I have an accountability buddy. We send each other a message every night. Did you study today?
My study buddy lives in another country. We only text done with a check mark. Simple but powerful.
Another habit is listening to slow English podcasts while I cook or clean.
Multitasking the smart way. 10 minutes of listening while washing dishes equals free English time.
I also keep a victory journal. Every night, I write one thing I did well in English that day.
Even small things like I understood one new word or I spoke 5 sentences.
Writing victories makes you see progress and keeps motivation high.
Environment is important too. I have a clean corner only for studying. No bed, no TV, just table and chair.
My desk has only 3 things: laptop, water bottle, and notebook. Clean space equals clear mind.
When I feel tired, I take smart breaks. 5 minutes walk, stretch, or look out the window.
Never study when you are too tired. Better 20 good minutes than 2 bad hours.
Consistency beats intensity. 1 page a day is better than 10 pages once a week.
I study at the same time every day, 7 to 7:30 in the morning. My brain knows it is English time.
Same here. Same time, same place equals automatic habit after a few weeks.
Some days I really don't want to study. Those days I lower the goal. Only watch one 5-minute video or learn 3 new words.
Never zero. 0 days kill habits.
Exactly. Protect the streak.
I celebrate every 10-day streak with something nice. New coffee, movie night, anything small.
Celebration keeps the fire alive.
When I miss a day, I don't feel guilty. I just start again the next day.
Discipline is not perfection. Discipline is continuing after you fail.
I also use the habit pairing trick. I only drink my favorite tea while studying English.
Now my brain connects tea smell with English time. Automatic motivation.
I read 1 page of an easy English book while drinking morning coffee.
Perfect pairing.
Another powerful habit is recording myself speaking 1 minute every day. I listen and see improvement month by month.
At first, my voice sounded terrible. Now I sound almost normal.
Progress keeps discipline strong.
I review my goals every Sunday. I ask, what worked this week? What can be better?
Small weekly review equals big yearly progress.
I visualize every night. I imagine myself speaking English fluently with confidence.
Visualization gives energy for tomorrow.
And the most important habit of all, be kind to yourself.
If you only studied 5 minutes, say, "Good job," not "You are lazy."
Positive self-talk builds long-term discipline.
Let's do a quick review of our best daily habits.
Make your bed every morning.
Write 3 tasks.
Turn off notifications.
Prepare everything the night before.
Use the 5-minute rule.
Keep a habit tracker.
Find an accountability buddy.
Take smart breaks.
Study at the same time every day.
Never have 0 days.
Celebrate small wins.
Be kind to yourself.
These habits turned us from beginners into confident English speakers.
And they will work for you too.
Start with only one habit tomorrow. Just one.
Maybe listen to this podcast again tomorrow. Same time.
Or write 3 English sentences before sleep.
Or drink water and say 1 English word out loud.
Tiny action equals big future fluency.
We are so proud of you for listening 30 minutes today. That is real discipline.
Question for the comments. Which one small habit will you start tomorrow?
Write it below. We read every comment and cheer for you.
Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss our daily slow episodes.
Thank you for studying with us today.
Keep going, stay kind, and see you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Have a disciplined and happy day.